Okay, so this is where we left off yesterday. We have our exterior walls put up. We created our wall for our garage, and then we raised our floor 24 inches above grade, above our garage floor. So if you look underneath again, you should be able to see that your house has been raised up. So we're going to keep adding walls, and this isn't too difficult. Just make sure that you pay attention. If you miss something, pause it, rewind it, and go back and watch it again. That's what's good about these videos, is you can watch it over and over and see how I do this. But we're going to keep moving forward. So I'm going to come around to the back side of the garage here. This area is going to become kind of a pantry, laundry room. We're going to put a wall in between, and then our kitchen's going to fit right into here. So I'm going to go to my pencil, and I should be able to find the midpoint of this back wall. So that blue dot shows me halfway across this line. So that's what I'm trying to find, is my middle, which is right here. So from that midpoint, I'm just going to draw a line going all the way up on the blue. I'm on the blue axis, and I'm going up to the top midpoint. Okay? So I just drew a line from the midpoint up to the midpoint. I want this wall to be symmetrical. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 2 inches from the midpoint. I'm going to go 2 inches to the right. And see how it does that when I'm drawing on top? It adds this. It's kind of frustrating. So all you have to do, if you end up getting this where it's covered up, just click on it and press delete, and you can get rid of it. And then I should have a little dot here. So I just went over 2 inches from here to here. That's all that I did, was just drew a 2-inch line. I'm going to take this down on the blue, and then we're going to do the same thing going here. I'm going to go 2 inches over, and then I can come up on the blue. And the reason I did that is so I can delete this center line, and now this is 4 inches across. At least it should be. It should be 4 inches there. Yes. So I've got a 4-inch wall. That's what I was trying to get, and get this centered up. I had this line in the middle. I used my eraser to delete that. And now what I can do is push-pull this wall going across this way. We're going to drag it across like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to orbit around, and you can see how it shows on face. That's where I want that wall to stop. It's not going to go past this. So I don't have to give it a measurement or a distance. I'm just going to drag it over until I can get this to be on face like that. So all that we did was add this wall. It's a 4-inch wall. I don't want this to pop up. I don't know why it's doing that, but I drug this across until it's on face. Pretty simple. Again, if you get this on top, just click on it and delete it like I did. I deleted my center line. So now we've got a wall dividing our laundry and our pantry from our kitchen, which is going to go here. Let's save that. And then I'm going to come over to this side of the house. And we're going to go to this back corner. We're going to start adding in our bedrooms. And these are going to be pretty good sized bedrooms. We're going to draw a line from this bottom corner right at this end point. And I'm going to go across. I'm on the red. And I want to go 13 feet 8. I don't have to put in inches for the 8. So you can see how I type that in the bottom right. 13 feet 8, and press enter. Again, it's going to look like nothing happened. But if I come back, I should be able to find this green dot right here. That is my end point of the line that I just drew. So I'm going to draw another line from here going straight up on the blue. Make sure this is on the blue axis. There we go. See, I thought I was going straight until I get here. Now I know that I'm going straight up. So make sure that is blue. So that we don't get this filling in on the top, I'm going to come back to the bottom, and I'm going to go over 4. And then draw up another line like this. Just like before. So now we've got a wall that we can drag all the way across. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to drag it all the way over to this face here. Okay? This is my living room. This is my dining room. Okay, so we've added 2 walls. We're going to have to add a couple more walls for our bedroom. This time we're going to do it the same way. From this corner, I'm going over 1310, 13 feet 10, just like I typed in. Press enter. We're going to find the end of that. It should be a green dot. I'm going to go up on the blue. I'm going to go over 4 and draw this line up. Okay? We can bring that one over. I'm going to do the same thing over here, 13 feet 10. Take this over 4, and then that goes up. These walls now, we can go to our push-pull. I'm going to drag this over to this wall, and same thing with this. I'm going to drag it over to this wall. I'm going to save. It's not liking that. I'm going to have to go to Save As. Okay. Well, I'll have to figure out what's going on, why I can't save that. Make sure you save this so that we don't lose anything. I know I'm going kind of fast, but I've got to fit this into a small video, so you've probably paused and rewound several times. We're going to have a little bit of a hallway here, and then this will be our bathroom and then 2 bedrooms. This line is going to come over 4 feet, or you can go 48. Either way is fine. I'm going to find that endpoint. Up on the blue. From here I go over 4, and then this goes up. You guessed it, we're going to push-pull this across to this wall here. Now I've got a bathroom, I've got a hallway, 2 bedrooms. The bedrooms need closets, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside of this bedroom from right here. We're going to go over 48. Right there. Up on the blue. And over 4. So that I can put in this wall. Okay, this I'm going to drag out 34. 34 inches. Like that. I'm going to draw a line from this bottom corner over 4 and come up on the blue, and then I can drag this wall all the way, maybe, there we go, all the way over like this. So this will be a closet. I know I went kind of fast, but I went over 4, I drew my line up, I went over 4 feet, or 48, I drew my line up on the blue, I went over 4 inches and drew it up so I could drag this one out, 34. I went over 4 on the bottom so I could come up and make this wall, and then I drug this wall clear over to this edge here. We're going to do the same thing in the other bedroom. We're going to work the same way. So from this corner, I'm going over 48. Find that endpoint and go up on the blue. I'm going to go over 4, go up on the blue. We're going to drag this out, 34, 3, 4. We're going to draw a line from down here over 4, go up on the blue, and then we're going to go to our push-pull and drag this wall over till it's on this face. And that's all the walls of our house. Okay? Garage, laundry, and pantry. Kitchen's going to fit right here. Dining room, living room. We've got 2 bedrooms, a hallway, a bathroom, and 2 closets. Make sure you save this. Hopefully I can figure out a way to get this saved. I know I went kind of fast, but there's not a whole lot there. So I feel like this is fairly simple and you can figure this out. If you need to, again, go back and rewind it and watch this over to see how this all works. But you may not get through all this today, but this gives you plenty to do while I'm not here. So do your best and have fun.